What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. Another live trading session. If you don't know, I do these live to journal my trades. I also do these live to help you guys out. So let me get my chart right. Give me 1 second. Market's about to open up. Market just now opened up. Yesterday we had a big sell-off. China imposed about 84% tariffs. So we had a big sell-off yesterday when we got out in the video. That was a good call that we got out in the video yesterday. Let me pull my other chart up. All right, levels I'm watching today, man. Levels I'm watching today on SPY is 500. If we pop and fade 500, I'll be looking for a downside move. Also, if we pop up to that 510 level right here, I will be looking for a downside move as well. So 500 and 421 on SPY. It's 500 on SPY, 421 on QQQ. It's the same levels. So that's what we're going to watch on SPY. Let me move to the 2-minute chart. I am on a 2-minute chart, guys. I hope you guys having a great morning. Sir Chart a lot, what it do? Good morning. Mason, what it do? Hope y'all having a great morning. So we want to we had a slight gap down, not too much. Oh, actually, we didn't even gap down. Well, a little bit. We opened up here at 500, then we came down. Let me see. Oh, okay, we opened up, shot right up. Now we've been downtrending ever since, but we shot right up right before market open. But pretty sure we'll probably pop and fade. It's a lot of fear in the market right now, man. So pretty sure we'll pop and fade. I wanted to see SPY kind of come down and retest this low, but let's see what happens though. We want to wait around 15-minute ORB. Good morning, chat. Let's get it. Hell yeah, let's get it, guys. Microsoft, get over that 356. All right. So we're a little bullish here starting off. All right. What it do, Eric? Let's get it. Mindful Matters. What it do? Good morning. Y'all in here early. Let's go. Get this paper, baby. Trying to get this paper. So yeah, we'll let SPY play out. I'm looking to see if SPY can go up to 500, pop and fade. We get a reject off of that 500 or that 510 level. Now we are almost oversold on the RSI, so I'm pretty sure we'll probably pull back here shortly. So I'll hold tight and see what happens. We had a little pullback here. We've been pulling back since about 8:40 this morning, so let's see what happens. We're just now touching that 500. Well, shit, we at 495 right now. I am on a 2-minute chart. on Apple. So if Apple gets on it, Apple's been the weakest stock. Apple's been the weakest stock. Apple's been the stock that's basically a good percentage of bringing the stock market down, just because Apple does a lot of work with China and they putting all these tariffs out. So a lot of people are still on Apple stocks in fear. You know what I'm saying? So if Apple keeps moving down, that'll move the whole market down. So we're gonna keep a watch on Apple. Apple has been one of the weakest stock, and I think Microsoft just got above Apple in the S&P 500. So we're pretty bullish here a little bit. I want to see if we can gain up above these pre-market highs. See if we can get up above. Where is the fuck is my pre-market high right here? Gotta make a new one. All right. So we pulling back a little bit. We touched that 495, pulling back a little bit. Let's see how Spot wants to act right here. Oh yeah. Apple pretty strong here. Microsoft, Tesla. All right. Let's see if we break down and hold the highs. All right, we pulling back. 1 second on this candle. Give me 1 second. Tesla came down, pulled back. Microsoft. Oh, Microsoft. Damn. That was a nice entry right there. I ain't gonna take the early entry though. Nice little 5 minute ORB entry on Microsoft right here. Just got above pre-market high, but I'll wait. I ain't playing with no early entries today. Not me. Y'all not finna get me today. But it's a nice move though. Let's see if it can hold a 15-minute ORB. Then I'll be interested. Nice little breakout. All right. Damn. Okay. Okay, Spy. See if we pop and fade. SPY to the upside. We retesting right here. Excuse me. See, it's retesting at 500. I'm gonna load up SPY 510 calls, guys. If we get back above this pullback, I will take the entry. We need to get back above 500 and get back above this pullback entry right here. This pullback candle right here. But let's see what happens. See if it fades on that 500. Just like I was saying, we probably gonna pop and fade. But if we stay up above 500, I definitely will take that trade. If you don't know, 500 is a micro level. So every $50 level is a micro level. So 200, 250, 350, 300, 400, 450. It's a micro level. So if you see strength above a level, you can use that 500 level as support. But it looked like we fading right now. So good hold. Look like we fading right now. We might bounce off. Let's see what happens. Pulling back. I like Microsoft and QQQ if we pull back and get back above this 500. But if we reject the 500, it's over with. I'm not interested in it no more. Yeah, we rejected 500 all the way to 496. There goes my calls for the moment. Until we get back above 500, that's when I'll be interested in SPY again. SPY calls. Yeah, I just checked it. I just checked it. Love basketball. I just checked the RSI. I just checked it. Yeah, we was oversold right there, and we pulled back right around mid level. Yeah, we still rejecting. We'll let it pull back, do its thing. So we pulling back here. We'll let it pull back. I wouldn't be interested in puts unless we break this ORB here at the bottom. So I will wait. Yesterday was kind of, I always do that. I don't know why. As soon as I get off when I get off around 10:30, 10:45, around 11 o'clock, we start seeing great ass trends like we did yesterday, man. Look at this right here. Yesterday, look at this shit, bro. I'm talking about beautiful chart. We popped and faded right here at that 524, and we downtrended the whole day. Look, downtrended. Look, retested 510, kept going. So yeah, yesterday was a decent day if you went back to the charts after we got off live. Haven't took no entry yet. Spot went up, hit 500, and now it's moving down. So we'll let it ride. I wouldn't be interested into puts until if we break the ORB here at the bottom, the 15-minute. Now that's just my bias. This is what I like to play. Now if you feel like you a sniper, go ahead and go in. But my confirmation, if we break that ORB or if we get back above 500. So let's see what happens. So we got rejected off the 500. We can use the 500 as resistance or support. See if it gets some strength right here at this 495 right here. We pulled back right around 496, 495 level. Microsoft Haven't broke out in any ORB yet. Still chilling. Y'all know we want to see a breakout of the ORB open range breakout. That's the first 15 minutes, 15-minute candle. We want to see it break. Yeah, we just in the range right now, guys. Can't do nothing right now but chill and wait. Wait for our setup. Now we could see some choppiness because we do have FOMC minutes coming out at 2 p.m. today. Sometimes I was looking at my notes. Sometimes before FOMC data comes out, a lot of people like to stall, not really jump in the market, wait till that data comes out and react off of that. So that could be a thought today. Just letting you guys know. But we are getting back above this 500. So we definitely, if we get above this 500, I'll definitely. But we do still have that 510 level right there. But shit, we'll ride it up into there if we get above this 500. I want to get a pullback. AMD breaking out of ORB a little bit. See what Tesla doing. See AMD breaking out. Still on 2-minute chart, guys. 9:52 on the clock. I will move to the 5-minute chart. What stocks will move FOMC later on? First thing you should go to when FOMC minutes come out, pull up SPY. SPY gonna tell you what the market doing. SPY, the S&P 500. Pull up the S&P 500 right here. SPY will let you know what's going on. But you could check all the ticker. I trade 10 tickers, guys. 10 main tickers. SPY QQQ, got AMD right here, NVIDIA, Meta, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Google, Netflix. Those are the stocks I trade. $9:53 on the clock. We got Netflix breaking out of ORB a little bit. Yeah, good question, Ron. Good question, Ron. Yeah, watch the S&P 500. S&P gonna show you what majority of stocks are doing, and then you can just use that to look at other stocks and take your best play you want to do. But sometimes we really don't see a lot of we still rejecting that 500. Sometimes we really don't get a lot of movements on FOMC minutes, but sometimes you will. So you just got to keep watch. So AMD is retesting this ORB right here. The level for SPY right now is 500. 500 is the level. AMD went up out of ORB, but it's coming back down. SPY pulling back again. Let's see what the RSI looking like. RSI is about at 64. Last time it was at about 70 when it dropped. Let's see. It's sitting on 500 right now. Four seconds on this candle. Let's see. I'm watching AMD, guys. But I want to see SPY get above 500 as well. I'm going to load up AMD calls. I'm going to load up AMD 82 calls. AMD 82 calls. Let's see what happens. So we pulled it. If we pass this pullback counter right here on AMD, I will take an entry. Still pulling back. I got AMD 82 calls loaded. Let's see what happens. It's just loaded. We're still getting rejected, so keep that in mind. Contracts are high, guys, so size appropriately. I feel like if SPY can't get above 500, it's going to dip real hard here in a second. I got a feeling. Boy. Yeah, 80, 78. All right, guys. If we pass this consolidation right here on AMD, I will take the entry. We are a little oversold on the RSI, but we got some room to go. But I want to see this SPY get some real strength, real price action when it gets above this 500. But it's not going like I want it to. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. I'm gonna move to the 5-minute chart, guys. I'm gonna move to the 5-minute chart. Haven't took any entries yet. 5-minute chart. All right, I'm adjusting all my charts right now. All right, we're on the 5-minute chart. Look at AMD. All right, still got AMD loaded, guys. Let's see what happens. Got a lot of volatility coming in right here. A lot of volatility coming in right here. All right, guys, I just took my entry on AMD calls. I got filled at 325. We up 4% right now. So we do have the 200 moving average sitting at 83, right around 83 on the 15-minute chart. So we want to watch out for that as well. I'm sitting right around 3%, up 3% right now. Damn, Microsoft took off like I thought it would. My stop loss on this, guys, is the behind this pullback candle. If we touch this pullback candle, I will exit. Make sure you want to take your trims, guys. We up 4% right now. I'm pretty sure SPY will probably get to 510. So we're going to hold this and see what happens. Still up 3%. Stop loss is behind this candle that we just entered on. So the pullback candle, if we pull back behind that candle, I could use the pre-market high right here, but let's see what happens. I want to see us push off of this ORB right here. Bam. Still holding. Let's go. That's 5% right there. SPY kind of rejecting a little bit. Let me look at AMD 15 minutes. Yeah, so AMD got that. Hitting right around that 200 moving average right there. So if you look at AMD 15 minute right here, we got 200 moving average sitting right at the top right here. Y'all see that? I'm sitting right around break even right now. Might pull back here a little bit. We want to make sure SPY can stay above 500. We want to make sure this ORB, we can stay above this ORB right here, this 81 level on AMD. But we pulling back here. I'm down 1% right now. If you're afraid, you can exit if you want to, but I'm gonna hold, see what happens real quick. So SPY is holding 500, 502. See if we can get a move. Let's go. We can push off this ORB. I'll move my stop loss up. I want to see us push off of this ORB, but we falling back under. If we get back under 500, I'll be looking for my exit. We're sitting right around break even right now. So if you're afraid, you can exit, guys. SPY should break 500. then up to 510, or if not, yeah, I'm looking for 510. AMD 77 RSI. Shit. All right, guys. Good call out. I'm about to exit right here on AMD negative 3%. I only lost $10 a contract. It didn't give me the push I wanted, and we breaking that under 500. I just exited minus 3%. We can find another entry, guys. I just exited. You okay, girl? Damn, I wanted that. Good call, though. I damn sure wasn't paying attention. Good call, positive insight. See how my Microsoft fucking, yeah, that RSI ain't, I mean that ORB ain't with us today. But we was just in AMD. Yeah. I'm about to load up puts. 421. Yeah, I'm about to load up QQQ puts. Yeah. I'm loading up QQQ puts, guys. You don't have to take this entry, kind of aggressive entry, but I see the downtrend starting. 412, 415. I'm gonna load up 414, 413 puts. If we break back under QQQ right here, stay under 420, I'll take the entry. I loaded up 413 puts. Kind of went up in the contracts because contracts are high. So if we break back down under this 420, I'll take the entry. I'm gonna wait for this next candle though. Kind of want to take the spot short. I don't know why. But let's see what happens right here. We still holding the level. We at 499 though. We're under 500, but damn. 41 seconds on this candle. I still got QQQ puts loaded. Spy on probably gonna play around right here. All right, guys, keep those QQQ puts loaded. See what happens here. See if it's just retesting. It's oversold, but it's just retesting right now. Or it might grind higher. Let's see. AMD giving the same entry again, but we don't got no good price action in the market right now. Going back up. Look at AMD. It might not really do too much though, because RSI is at 72 right now. It pulled back at 77 at that candle before. Yeah, keep letting it break down. We get a big wick right here on SPY and QQQ. We're probably gonna lose it. I still got QQQ puts loaded. All right. We got a pin bar. Coming down. We're coming down right now. I want to see us break down past this previous candle. That'll be my confluence right there. $52 seconds on this candle. All right, guys, I just took my entry on QQQ puts. You don't have to take it with me. It is of an aggressive entry, but I just entered. You don't have to take it with me, guys. I'm up 4% right now. My stop loss, my stop loss is right above this candle. So we hit about around 422, I will exit. We need to keep pulling back though. Let's see what happens. I'm down 5% right now. The volatility is high, so if you down, it's gonna seem like you're down way more, but the volatility is high, guys. See if we break down right here. Still holding. My stop is this 422 right here. Down 6%. Let's see what these other stocks doing. Not really doing nothing, man. We sitting in the range. That's why I told you it's an aggressive entry. Kind of sitting in the range. I'm down 11% right now. Still holding. Hopefully we get a push here shortly. But we're gonna chill. Stop loss is up here. $10.17 on the clock. See if we can break down here. AMD goddamn strong again. Look at this shit here. I'm down 20% right now. Look at AMD. Motherfucker. One minute on this candle, 1 minute, 18 seconds on this candle. 422 is my stop on QQQ. 422.55. Getting rejected a little bit. All this choppiness. We chopping around right now, guys. Still in QQQ puts. Trying to see us break down, man. We break down, boy, it's gonna go. If we break down, it's gonna go. Look at AMD still over here grinding higher. What is Apple doing? Apple moving sideways. Everything moving sideways. Next candle just opened. I'm down 20%, guys. Still holding. See what the 15-minute looking like. Come on, Spy. You ain't going nowhere. Get on down there. Spy playing around, man. Got back under 500. Come on, let's get it. Let's get a drop off real quick. Come on, get on down there. Let's go. Get the moving. Spy might play around 500, man. All day. Coming back down though. Still down 19%, 20%. All right, we coming down here now, guys. We down 16%. Still holding. Stop loss still the same. There we go. Drop off. Go ahead and drop off. Go ahead and drop off for me. Keep going. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Probably bounce off that VWAP. How much you want to bet? Down 13% right now. I ain't think it's gonna go back up and retest. I could have added right there, but I didn't add. So 15-minute candles getting rejected. Still holding them down 18%. So right here, like when we going up and down, guys, if your heart racing and you scared and stuff, that means you sizing too heavy, guys. Yeah, they gonna stop us out, huh? Yeah, it's touching my stop, guys. See if we reject right here. If not, I will exit. Touching my stop right here. See if we reject. Oh, we rejecting a little bit. Damn, look at AMD. We was just in. Yeah, I'm gonna exit right here, guys. Damn, look at AMD. Yeah, I got out right there. Hit my stop loss. It's all good. Hey, it's trading. Trading is trading, man. I told you guys it was aggressive entry, but it's all good. But hey, man, I'm gonna wrap it up, man. Got some stuff going on. I'm gonna wrap it up, man. I'll be back tomorrow, guys. Kind of choppy right here. We had AMD, but my dumb ass, my scary ass hopped out thinking the RSI was over. So it was, but shit. It was in a nice play though. It never came back down to my stop loss I had. I should have just stayed in that. Got to be more careful though, man. It's all right though. But call it a day, man. I'll be back tomorrow, guys. 9:30 a.m. sharp. We day trade Monday through Friday. We day trade Monday through Friday. Not really too much going on the chart today, man. So I'll be back tomorrow. I will be checking the charts later. FOMC minute. Look at AMD, bro. He was just in this play, bro. Fuck. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one, man.